Aave might post a 6.5% gain tomorrow, per Gulf Capital Collector. Let's kick things off by looking at the latest price movement. Aave has fallen 4.2% over the last 24 hours and is currently trading around $106.03. Let's examine the analysts' market views. CoinCodex expects tomorrow's price to land around $102.72, showing a potential reduction of 3.1%. Aave is expected to reach $105.68 per Traders Union, marking a decline of around 0.3%. Crypto Predictions points out it might climb toward $107.76, roughly 1.6% higher than now. A different forecast from Gulf Capital Collector highlights the possibility of Aave hitting $112.94, marking an estimated rise of 6.5%. And finally, CoinLore expects the price to reach $113.74 by tomorrow, which is 7.3% above the current price. This is the most profitable forecast of all we reviewed. 5 forecasts covered. Let's keep moving. Let's break down each prediction into potential outcomes. The gathered forecasts put the possible move between a decline of 3.1% and a rise of 7.3%. Considering all forecasts, CoinLore is at the top with 7.3% gain in value by March 28. Therefore, you could generate between $3 and $73 for every $1,000 you invest. In the probability rankings, Traders Union's forecast stands in first place with a 93% chance of success. After aligning all forecasts, I've mapped out a clear consensus scenario. The average forecast keeps Aave around $108.57. Let's crack this open. The consensus estimate indicates a 2.4% rise in price given the latest forecasts. To summarize clearly, your capital might also go up by around 2.4% if the trend follows through. On each $1,000 invested, the outcome might suggest roughly $24 in potential upside. So the chance of the consensus forecast playing out stands near 82.4%. Let's quickly review the 3-day forecasts before moving on. A bullish view also comes from CoinCodex, who sees the price advancing. A slide is anticipated by Traders Union, with pressure on the downside. According to Crypto Predictions, the market looks flat for now. Gulf Capital Collector expects the chart to lean bullish over this horizon. Similarly, CoinLore describes the near-term outlook as bullish. Looking at all the views combined, the consensus indicates Aave is expected to follow an upward path in the near term. So, when all forecasts are considered, the majority outlook highlights Aave moving in an upward direction. 5 forecasts were published 2 days ago for the day ahead. With that day now finished, we know how they held up. As a result, the verified closing price was $105.21. 3 out of 5 analysts predicted the right side of the move. In terms of accuracy, the winner was CoinCodex. Let's take a closer look at the details. The session's candle included 3 forecasts. When it comes to ROI, several forecasts showed profits, and CoinCodex reached 3.6%, the highest among them. On screen is the performance summary, the combined outcomes for every forecast. 30 rates reached $12.79 accuracy, while forecast probability was 52% and ROI 6%. Take a guess. Who do you think gave the most accurate forecast? Here's how Aave measures up against the forecasted gains for tomorrow across other cryptocurrencies. Aave holds the leading position in forecasted returns, standing at 2.4%. For now, this view includes Aave and 4 random cryptocurrencies. A wider profitability overview and complete analyst stats will soon appear on my website and Telegram. The market moves fast, so hit subscribe and don't fall behind. Take care.